Well, we've all seen dogs beg for something to eat. This crow's doing the same thing. Of course, he stopped doing it as soon as I turned the camera on. There he goes. He's standing about 15 feet away a minute ago, facing right at me, and squawking his head off because I've got that sitting right there beside the truck, and this crow thinks there's something in there for him. So what he really wants is for me to get away from here and let him have a stab at it. There he is in the mirror. He's trying to sneak around when he thinks I'm not looking. Slowly work his way up to the truck. Sneaky little bugger. He's about 8 feet away right now. It's funny, he actually watches me and he waits till I'm not looking. As soon as he sees I'm not looking, he runs right up to the truck. As soon as I turned my head and looked at him, oh yeah, just pretend you're not interested. I put the camera on my little camera mount so I can peek the camera over the edge of the window without the crow seeing me. So close. But there's that nasty human there. Now he thinks I'm not looking. Ah! Ah! Those women over there think I'm nuts. Ah! Nothing in there anyway. Now tip my head back. See what happens. Out of sight, out of mind, right? He's still watching me. You can hear my voice too, eh? Uh-oh, we got another participant. Some competition. Ah! Now he figures I'm not gonna jump him, eh? Look at this. I see ya. He wants to get it away from here, eh? I'll open the door. Now they don't know what to do. Well, I better get it before that seagull grabs it, because he'll fly away with it and drop it in the middle of the park, and then I'll have to clean it up. Well, that's almost as much fun as watching paint dry.